Reykjavik, the capital of Iceland, is a charming destination offering a unique combination of natural beauty and urban charm. The city of Reykjavik, located on the southwest coast of Iceland, is known for its stunning scenery and warm hospitality. One of the notable features of Reykjavik is its breathtaking coastline. Although there are no traditional sandy beaches here, the rocky coastline has created a picturesque backdrop for walking and exploring. The city's proximity to the ocean also means that travelers can enjoy a variety of water sports such as sailing, fishing, and even whale watching. The scenery around Reykjavik is simply spectacular. From towering mountains to geothermal hot springs and cascading waterfalls, there are endless possibilities for outdoor adventure. Reykjavik has established itself as a thriving tourism center. With well-preserved historical sites such as the Hatlgrimskirkja Church and Harpa Concert Hall, as well as numerous museums showcasing Icelandic art and history, there is no shortage of cultural experiences here. The city also hosts various festivals throughout the year celebrating music, film, literature, and more. Travelers visiting Reykjavik often praise its clean streets, friendly locals, and generally safe environment. The city's efficient public transportation system makes it easy to explore the city. In conclusion, Reykjavik stands out as a charming place that seamlessly blends natural attractions with modern amenities. Whether you are seeking adventure in Iceland's rugged landscapes or immersing yourself in its rich cultural heritage, this vibrant city promises an unforgettable experience.